Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Messenger. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Messenger. Click on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner. Now tap on Settings icon on the top. Here you can see username option. Click on it and tap on Edit Username. Now remove your previous username and type in a new one. And if you're sure with this username, tap on Save option. And that is how you can change your username on Messenger. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.